travel bestie. You made it to week 2 of travel tips and shortcuts, and I'm so happy you're still here. I mean, are you still here? This week, we're dedicating everything to flights, and we're keeping it hands-on. Every day, I'm giving you one flight tip you can actually go and do. So let's start with the easiest one. Signing up for free airline memberships. Almost every airline has one, and it takes less than a minute to join. For example, I'm going to pull up Southwest's website. See this right here where it says Join Rapid Rewards? Click that, fill out your info, and you're done. You'll get your member number, and from now on, every time you book a flight, you'll start earning points automatically. Now, you can do this for just one airline, or go ahead and sign up for all your favorites. As for me, I've joined all of mine because those points, they add up, and I want them, okay? You can use your points for flights, hotels, rental cars, parking, even cruises, depending on the airline. And some programs even throw in perks like free Wi-Fi, like Southwest does now. All right, now it's your turn. Pause this video and go sign up for at least one airline membership today. Then come back and tell me which one you join, or tell me right now which one you're going to join. Save this video, follow me for more, and share with your travel besties. I hope this helped. Okay, bye.